They have just discovered the world's cutest metal detector. When the dog's tail is wagging, it means it's ready to use. And when you get closer to an item, you will see 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 doggy bones showing up at the bottom to say that you are close to metal. It does also give the battery indicator. 3 simple steps to use: hear it, see it, and get it. Now you see the 2 doggy bones showing up, and in this case, it found a tiny little nail. No issue, it can find up to 4 inches deep, and it is between 27 and 37 inches away, fully adjustable depending on the height of the child. And if you're trying to decide between the child and the youth version, the 3 main differences are: the child version goes to 4-inch depth, the youth version to 8-inch depth. The child can just find any metal. The youth discriminates between 5 different types, and the child one is really designed for 8-year-olds, where the youth is designed more for 8 all the way through adults. So it's just a more durable, more versatile, a little bit more sophisticated machine while still being easy to use. Overall, I'd say it's a fun visual. It's simple controls. It seems like an educational way to get outside. It's very kid-friendly, and it kind of turns outdoor play into hand-on learning. Such a fun adventure. If this was helpful, please give it a like so I know to make more videos like this.